In this video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to make your own clothing for Roblox, and it's free. This is an absolutely great way to kind of get started on Roblox clothing creation. If you don't know how to do it yourself, you don't know design, stuff like that, this is going to be really, really helpful. This tutorial is for PC. I can do a mobile tutorial if you guys would like it, so I can always do a mobile tutorial, and yeah, I'll be showing you now how to do it on computer. Sorry if the audio is weird as well. Basically, I've got my mic and I have to hold it to my mouth because I'm at my dad's. I don't have a mic on, so it's not very convenient. I've got to hold my mic, so I'm basically doing this one-handed. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So we're going to be using this website called Custom Use, and basically this is a really, really good website for creating Roblox clothing. It actually gives you templates, but you can customize them. So basically, you want to go to customuse.com and make an account. Making an account is free, instant, no problem, and it should put you here on the homepage. It is pretty cool. So as you can see here, basically on the front page, you can see like trending and all platforms of all these like Roblox different things. Well, make sure you go to change all platforms to Roblox so you know you're getting Roblox. You don't want to get some like random template for something else. But anyway, let's keep going through here. You basically just pick a template that you like. I'm just going to pick a random one here. Some are more detailed than others, but they are all customizable, which is really, really cool. Let's say this cookie hoodie. This looks pretty cool. So basically, if you click on it here, you'll see hoodie by Cookie Cutter. This is for Roblox by Cookie Cutter. It's a cool template. However, click the remix button right here and you can remix new outfit. Oh, I started editing one before to test this website out, so that's why I did that. But it should let you go and remix straight away. And basically by remixing, you basically get all these options. It's really cool. So if I go here to fabric, you can like change this, the red color. So I can go for a purple hoodie. And say for example, I want this light blue to be more of a purpley color, like a lilac. I like how this is looking pretty cool. I don't know which color. I think this is the strings. Yeah, that's the strings. So for example, you want to go something like a dark purple. This is looking pretty cool, you know, the different colors for the template. And they have like a logo on the back. I don't know how much of this is customizable. Yes, so you can add accessories here. So basically with accessories, you can just add extra stuff on top. And I think these are also customizable. So for example, you want a scarf. You can see add a scarf. I'm sure if you go back to outfit here, no, I don't know how to change the color of the scarf. That's weird. I guess for these asset things you add on the top, I don't think you can customize the colors yourself. No, it doesn't appear that you can. Yeah, so you want to add these, you're going to have to do the colors that they give you. However, one other thing that is very helpful with this is you can actually do your own. So as you see here, you've got like necklaces and stuff. Look quite cool. But if you wanted to have your own, you can basically import. So you come down here towards, to media. Go to media and you can upload an image. They have some images built in here, clearly, but they also have the ability to add your own. You see all the tools down here. You can painting right onto this kind of UV thing, Control Z to undo, and you can also add text. That's pretty cool. So you can have text and you can do all the different stuff and plop it on your clothing wherever you like. I'm going to quickly go and show you guys this upload feature to show you kind of what you can do with it. Say, for example, I want to add something to this. Say I want to add a logo. By the way, anything you do with this, be responsible. Don't use anything copyrighted. You can get banned on Roblox. You can get DMCA takedown. So make sure any logos used and stuff, you know, you're not using real logos. But let me just quickly design something to put on here. This is just a demonstration of the tool. You can use Google Images if you want, but I'm just going to use Photoshop here, which is a paid software, but there are free versions. Basically how to do this. I can always make a tutorial. Let's just make like a cool squiggle. Say this is your group logo. Say your group logo has like a weird black squiggle. You can then save this image. And by using this upload button down here, you can get your image into this. So if I select this now, I can basically go scale it and move it and rotate it just as I wish. So as you can see here, I have the squiggle. Say for example, this was your group logo. I don't know whether you can actually remove stuff like the cookie. I think that is embedded into it, unfortunately. But you could always use the paint tool to cut it out. Say, for example, this is your logo, this like squiggle that I just did in Photoshop. You might want to go and add under here, add a paint layer. And by adding a paint layer, you'll be able to, let me just quickly zoom in some more. How do I move around the UV? So you just kind of like scroll into here. If I pick a color, say I pick like a kind of purple similar to the purple that I actually use on the hoodie, I can like try and cut out that cookie. It will take you a while to actually do this properly, but if you wanted to do this, it wouldn't take too long. You have to pick the right colors and stuff. That's just an example. And I guess you can adjust the layer order. So you can kind of see, you could try and scribble out the logo and then do more detail on top, but that's just an example. Basically, this website is pretty cool. I'm going to delete these 2 layers. I'll just delete all these layers. And we'll go with this purple cookie cutter kind of cool looking hoodie. I'm now show you how you can get this into Roblox. You can view here R6 and R15 if you want to see it on this beautiful man. But anyway, click save. You can then pick a title. So I'm just going to call it Purple Cookie Hoodie. This is taking forever to type because I am typing this with one hand. Tags, please add at least 1 tag to save the outfit. Oof. Save and publish. There we go. So if I now go here and download shirt PNG, this is what you want to click. Download shirt PNG. It downloads right here. And now what we are going to want to do, make sure you are logged into your Roblox account, and we are going to now go and upload this to Roblox. You basically want to click the create button. Okay, so you want to go on your home page and then click the create button just up here. If you've never been to this menu before, it'll come up with like a welcome to studio thing. Just click edit my experiences, and then it should come up to this thing. And then you want to come on the left here, go all the way down to shirts. Now what you want to do is you want to go to find your image, choose file there, and you want to choose your file here, choose your file, and yeah, did use the template. It doesn't matter because we got it straight from custom use, and custom use does do the template. And then shirt name, shirt. You can call it something else, so I'll call it purple cookie shirt. I have one hand, I'm not fixing the typos. Upload for 10 Robux. It does cost 10 Robux, unfortunately. So if you do want to upload clothing, it is 10 Robux. And then you go and click upload for 10 Robux, and it'll appear on your shirts tab here. And basically, if you want to then wear it, you can just go to avatar, and then just go to your shirts. But if you go to your, oh no, don't go to layered clothing, go to classic shirts, and it'll come up with your shirts here. This will basically just mean that you can now go and wear your shirt, and now I'll show you how to sell it. I'm going to use this random Among Us red hoodie from 2020. Let's go here, and as you'll see it, you click the little settings cog, configure, and that will come up with this new swanky website. You see name Among Us Red. Description, you can add description. These aren't important. The bit you want to go to is on sale. Tick this on and then set a price, 5 Robux. And there you can basically now go save changes, and that will be public. That will be public and able to be bought, which is pretty cool. So you can actually start earning Robux. If you want to do it through a group, of course it's different, but it is more or less the same thing. If you did find this video helpful, please leave a like. And also, I'm going to take a few seconds now to say, in the description, I do have a few more resources that could help you with Roblox development, like building tutorials, modeling tutorials, stuff like that, along with some of my personal links, like my Twitter, Discord server, and also stuff like my Roblox group and Roblox account. So if you want to follow my Roblox account, or if you want to join my Roblox group, to play some of my games. I'm not getting out right now on that group, but I've got some games in the works. I'm also going to be live streaming again soon, because I haven't live streamed in like a week and a bit. I did like live streaming. I know you guys were enjoying them, so hopefully I'll get to live stream again soon. But yeah, that's about it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.